Hey everybody, it's Robot here from vespa.everywhere. For our dealership here in San Diego, we've got a new van. And we had it all wrapped. And I just figured I'd show all our friends of YouTube our new van and how it's equipped to haul Vespas around. So we just picked up a new 2018 Dodge or Ram or whatever they call it, Ram ProMaster, which in Italy is the Fiat Duco, if I'm saying it right, I don't know. Or I think it's called the Citroen Jumper. There's a couple other names. You see these things all over Europe, but this is the lovely one made for America with the ram horns on it. Prior to this, we had a Mercedes Sprinter van. It was about 15 years old, had over 200,000 miles, leaked diesel, leaked oil, broke down 2 times in 1 month on our driver Fabio that goes out and makes deliveries and pickups for us. We decided it's just time to buy a new van. Of course, go big or go home when it comes to hauling more than just one Vespa. Of course, a pickup truck or a smaller van can haul 1 or 2 Vespas, no problem. This van, we have it equipped to haul as many as 6 Vespas. Inside, it's set up to haul 4, and then it's also got a trailer hitch receiver that we have a hauler that plugs into it, and you could either put 1 or 2 on the hauler as well. Say if we're going to a scooter rally, for instance, maybe you want to haul 6 scooters. And we just got this custom wrap. It was just finished up today. Scott did the design of the wrap. We shot the photos, I don't know, right when we built the Vespa Everywhere bike, which was about 2 years ago, I think it was. So the best part about these European styled vans is they have quite a low floor height, and the majority of them are set up to stand inside, which makes it ideal for loading scooters. Nice and easy to load. We set up a ramp, and I'll show you inside. Don't necessarily need a tie down, but I think Fabio likes doing that to keep the noise down. But this is the ramp that we pulled out of our old Sprinter. And I'll show you inside. So we outfitted the van with aluminum diamond plate floor. I don't know, just to make it a little nicer than the standard steel floor that comes, standard on these vans. As you can see, there's different chocks. These are wheel chocks, and we got the tie downs that tie the scooters down. And normally, most deliveries and pickups will do 2, and it's easiest to set this up with a pair of scooters in the front, and a third one usually will go in diagonal, but it's pretty easy to set this van, up for hauling 4. If you really want to get crazy, you could probably shove 6 in here, but they'd practically be touching each other. When looking for a new van, we were checking out the new Mercedes Sprinter. Not the very latest, I guess there's one coming out for 2019. We checked out the Ford Transit, checked out the Nissan van, narrowed it down to the Ram or the Fiat van. Not only just because it was Italian, it kind of made the most sense for what we're using this van for. Had the lowest floor height. I really like the seating position. I've done a couple trips with this van already to Las Vegas, Los Angeles. Our driver Fabio has done a couple good trips already with it. We've had it for, I don't know, about 2 months at this point, and just got it back with the wrap. It's pretty easy to drive. The mileage on the highway, driving to Las Vegas, I think it averaged about 20 miles a gallon, which is pretty remarkable considering it doesn't have a diesel engine. It has a standard gas motor in it. Similar mileage to our old Mercedes Sprinter, and it's much better mileage than the typical pickup truck or full-size standard American style van that typically gets in the teens for the miles per gallon. So it's pretty economical to operate. Hope it'll work out good and serve us well for the next 5, maybe 10 years. I don't know when it'll get replaced, but hopefully get some good miles out of it. So load up the easy aluminum ramp, a lot easier than the regular ramps that you load the back of a pickup truck. Hope everybody liked our little segment on the van. It's not really 100% Vespa related, but just kind of shows everybody how you would professionally move your Vespa scooter around. Until next time, this is Robot here, vespamotorsport.com here in San Diego, scooterwest.com, our mail order operation. Follow us on Instagram, Vespa Motorsport, or follow me on Instagram, Robot Vespa. I think we're also on Facebook. I don't pay attention to that. Obviously, I don't talk about it much. See everybody later. Till next time.